You can see a very little bird inside my room. Yeah, I just got up in the early morning and I just found it. Yeah, it's really something amazing. Probably this door was open and actually it was also open and probably from this way it has just came. You can see the tree and there mostly you can find the bird. Let me catch it. Yeah. Yes. Hey, come on, come. Wow. Actually, I just don't want to feel disturbed, but oh, it entered into the room finally, and here I can trap it easily. Yeah. Hey, come on, yaar. I can lift you out. Come on, trust me. I will just lift you out. So these little things just entertain you, but I'm not going. I just don't want to feel a disturb. Yeah, lots of, but actually, I'm just interested to catch it. Yeah, at least once, but I'm not sure I will be able to do so or not. But let me try for a while. Hey, 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 hey! Come on, man! Oh, hey, come on! That's enough, yaar. I will just let you free. Don't worry regarding it. Just come on, come to my hand. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, I can catch you. I can catch you. Don't go. ओहो भाई अब तो रुक जा यार. Let me catch you. I will just let you free. Don't worry. Let me close it. Otherwise, otherwise I won't be able to catch it. Yeah, but it just makes me so tired. भाई आजा यार. Hey, come on, man. That's enough. Now you can pause. Yeah. I will let you free. Don't worry. Don't get afraid. Ho 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 ho. Come on, come on, come on, come on. How can I catch it? Yeah, 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 yeah. I have not so much idea also. Yeah. Come on, yaar. What are you doing? Ooh, finally. Ooh. Yeah, yeah. Don't worry, man. I just let you free. Yeah. Don't be afraid of myself. I know. I know you are so angry on me. I can clearly feel that. But I will just let you free. Yeah. Don't worry regarding it. You can see how angry is it on me and oof. Don't worry, man. I will let you free, yaar. So actually, mostly I find it. You can see it's just lakes, yeah. Wow, so beautiful. You can see and wow, amazing. You just watch it. Yeah, just really amazing. And finally, I get it, and mostly it stay onto probably these areas. Wow, it's really feel good for me, and finally I am going to let it free. And oh, don't be afraid of myself. I am a very good man. Yeah, so go. You can see that went to that. So wow, it felt really good in the early morning just catching a bird. Wow, every little moment is very enjoyable. Yeah, if you can enjoy it. Wow, it was really funny for me. And make my day so enjoyable. Hopefully you will like it. Yeah. So thank it's okay and thank you for watching. Yeah. Bye bye.